guys, it's Nancy with Better Life Blog, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made this super cute fresh cut flowers vintage truck sign. I had a lot of fun making this with some of you guys actually on Facebook Live, so some of you guys might have caught that video. It was really interesting, but here is the abridged version. So enjoy watching this video, and if you want to find out how to get a copy of this file, make sure you stick around until the end. I would also love it if you would share this video. I would so appreciate that. And also be sure to subscribe to my channel, my Facebook page, or my YouTube channel so that you can see more videos just like this one. All right, enjoy.
Okay, so I've got my wood board that has been cut down to size. This is a 10 by 12 inch piece of wood. It has been sanded, and now what I'm doing is I am just covering it with a layer of chalk paint. You can use any kind of chalk paint that you want. You don't even have to use chalk paint. I just prefer it, but you could also use acrylic. Now I have my Oramask 813 stencil vinyl, and there's a link in the description box for this type of stencil vinyl. You don't have to use stencil vinyl. You can use like an Oracal 631 or 651, but this is just more cost effective. So check out the link in the description box if you're interested in checking this out. And I'm weeding out all the cute little flowers, you guys. These are gonna turn out so cute. And I like to use a pair of tweezers as my weeding tool of choice. Sometimes I'll use other things, but the tweezers I just feel like I have good control over. So I like that. And then I also have this thing on my finger. It's called a Tweaksy. And I just started using it recently, and I really like it because I can just deposit my weeding scraps right into there because it kind of catches those little edges on the way out. It's actually meant to be a nail polish holder. So if you like to paint your nails and you don't want to have to hold your nail polish bottle, it can also have two purposes. And then next I've just got my transfer tape. This one has grid lines, which I really like. You can check out the link in the description box. And next I'm just sanding this with a very fine grit sandpaper and cleaning up the dust with the tack cloth. And that just helps it to be really smooth so that when I'm painting it, there is as little bleeding as possible. And the next thing I'm doing is just removing the backing from the transfer tape. If you're enjoying this video, I would absolutely love it if you would share this video with your crafting buddies and hit the like button and comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And right now what I'm doing is I'm taking some Mod Podge and I am just squirting some on there, and then I'm going to paint it over the entire surface of all of the areas that have cuts on them. And this just kind of seals everything in so that when I'm painting over it, nothing bleeds through. Now what I'm doing is I'm just taking the colors. I have chalk paint, like I said, and I'm just putting the colors over each of the different sections. And in just a second here, I'm going to be blending some of the colors for the flowers, as well as the flower pot. So the flower pot, I didn't have a terracotta color, so what I'm doing is I'm taking some orange, some brown, and then some reddish color as well, and I'm just kind of blending them together to kind of make a terracotta color, and that's going to be for the flower pots. And I think that was a pretty good match. And then I'm going to paint the leaves green. And then I'm going to paint the roses two different shades of red, a red and a reddish kind of orangish, pinkish color. And I'm just kind of blending them. Same thing with the middle flowers. I'm taking a little bit of a bluish violet and a violet, and then those flowers all the way to the right, I did yellow and orange. And then I've got a really nice looking turquoise for the truck. I am loving the colors in this sign. This might be my favorite sign to date. I love how it's coming out. And now I'm just removing all of the stencil vinyl, and it turned out so cute, you guys. You guys, I love how this sign came out. I love the colors of the flowers. You can have fun experimenting and blending different colors together. See what you like, make it your own, and have fun with it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you decide to make this sign, make sure that you send me pictures because I absolutely love seeing your guys' pictures. If you're interested in this file, be sure to check out the link in the description box. This is part of my Ultimate Spring SVG bundle. This is over 50 files. It's worth over $300, and I'm selling it for only $20. So make sure you check that out. It's got everything from St. Patrick's Day to Easter to Mother's Day, and a commercial license is included. So if you have a small business, you can make items using these files and sell them to your customers. So enjoy, check it out, and let me know what you guys think. If you're on YouTube, make sure that you subscribe and be sure to like and comment as well. And if you are on Facebook, I wanted to let you know that Facebook actually hides most of my posts from you. So even if you've liked my page, there's a good chance that you've missed many of my videos. So if you like seeing my videos and you want to see more of them, all you have to do is just follow these steps. If you're on a desktop computer, just hit like and then following and then click see first. Or if you're on your mobile, make sure you click like and then following and then get notifications. And then you want to click see first. And now you'll get notified anytime I post something new or if I do a live video. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you next time.